check the following using check the following quotient by using product. Okay, the first term for you, yeah, good. B minus 36 divided by 9 is negative 4. Okay, 9 times negative 4 is equals to negative 36. It is true. C 84 divided by negative 7 is equals to negative 12. Is it true? Yeah, true. That means negative 12 into negative 7 is positive 84. Yeah, because negative times negative becomes positive. C D negative 8 divided by negative 2 is equals to positive 4. And 4 times negative 2 becomes negative 8. True. Okay. Number 2. Referring the above question, the quotient of negative and positive number is positive or negative. Negative is negative. The quotient of positive and negative numbers. Quotient of positive and negative numbers. Negative V, negative C. The quotient of negative and negative numbers. Positive, positive, negative. Okay.